I'm Daryl, your AI host at AI Pro Photography. Today we test whether an AI image that looks perfect on screen actually holds up in print. AI image print resolution is where a flawless generation quietly falls apart. It looks razor sharp on a screen, and then you send it to print. Here's the test. We generated a studio portrait and read its real size, just 1200 by 896 pixels. Print quality is measured at 300 pixels per inch. Divide it out, and that file prints cleanly at only 4 by 3 inches. A postcard. Force it larger and it collapses. On an A4 page, that is about 103 ppi. On A3, just 73. Both print soft, with mushy edges a client will notice. So does AI Upscaling fix it? We ran the same file up to 4096 by 3072 pixels. That is a genuine A3 print at 248 ppi. But here's the catch. We measured the added sharpness against a plain resize, and it barely moved. The upscaler invented plausible detail. It did not recover real detail, so the rule is simple. Before you approve any AI image for print, read its pixel width and divide by 300. That is your honest print size. AI image print resolution is a real constraint, not a setting. Upscale for size, but never trust it for a large portrait. There's plenty more to explore at aiprophotography.com, so subscribe on YouTube, and we'll see you again soon.